What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the cheap filler to fill the SP Authentic break. Where is it? We're going to go live. We're live at 250. It's 250 here in Denver. We got Labarge on top, Jason Ross on the bottom. You get a new list. Labarge on top, Jason Ross on the bottom. We're going 3 times, guys. Top 5 win. 1, 2. Stefan on top after 2. That timestamp is in at 251. It's 251. Third and final time, top 5. Got Marty, Stefan, Mike, and Jason. Top 5 win. And that timestamp was in at 251. It just turned 252. So guys, I will show you your teams real quick. That's from the last one. So Marty, you got Anaheim. Stefan, you got Calgary and Nashville. Mike, you got the Islanders. And Jason, you got San Jose. Thanks again, guys.